Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen we are going to make some delicious creamy roasted chicken and rice soup. It is officially soup season and you guys will definitely love this recipe. So let's go. Alright guys, to make our delicious roasted chicken and rice soup, the first thing I'm doing here is seasoning my chicken breast, okay? As you guys can see, this is a large bone-in chicken breast. We're going to get this into the oven. I do have my oven set to 375, and we're going to bake this for about 45 minutes covered and about 10 to 15 minutes uncovered so I can get that nice golden brown color. So I did go on with some olive oil, some of my house seasoning, some paprika, a packet of Sazon, and I gave that a good rub underneath the skin on both sides, okay? Then I let it rest. Then I got it into the oven, and again, we baked it for 45 minutes covered and about 10 to 15 minutes uncovered. So here it is here completely done, and we're going to let it rest, okay? It is a large cut of meat, and you don't want all your juices just running out, so let it rest. So I have my pot here that I'm going in now with my olive oil, my celery, my carrots. I was going to say my green onion. I started to put green onion in here. Then I was like, it's not going to be like a chicken soup. You know what I'm saying? So I just went with the celery, the onion, and the carrots. And my veggies might look a bit on the chunky side because that's what I like. I like thick veggies in my soup. Now, you definitely don't have to have them that thick. It's totally up to you, okay? But that's what I like. So I did go in with a tablespoon of minced garlic, 7 cups of chicken stock, 1 10-ounce bag of yellow rice because it has turmeric in it, and that's going to give my soup that nice yellow color. Again, you like chicken and noodle soup, but we're making chicken and rice. But yeah, it's going to give it that nice color. And I'm going in with a packet of magic syrup and my other seasonings. So what I'm using in my video, guys, you definitely don't have to use. I would just say use what you're accustomed to using in your soups, whatever that may be. Just go with what you like, because I keep getting the questions of, can I use this? Can I use that? Your taste buds are not my taste buds, so go with what you like, okay? That's all I can say. And I will say this, taste as you go. You can always add it in, but you can't take it out. Okay, so taste your food as you go. So now that we got gave that a good mix, I am adding in 1 can of cream of chicken, and then we're gonna give that a good mix as well. So as I was telling you guys, I don't know if you guys saw my post on my community post rather, but you guys know soup season is officially here. So every week I plan to share a different soup recipe with you guys, whatever that may be. If there's something that you guys would like to see me make, please comment down below. All suggestions are definitely welcome. But yeah, just comment down below what you would like to see me make, okay? So I did go in with the milk after I got the cream of chicken in there, and I'm going in with 1 bay leaf, and we're just going to cover this and let it cook, guys, and it is going to thicken up beautifully. That cream of chicken is going to have it thicken up beautifully. So here we are here about 35 minutes later. You guys can see everything is done, okay? And when I say the cook time, guys, just pretty much go with as far as when you see the rice is done, then you know it's done, okay? So just go by how well your rice is done. So I did get that chicken shredded up, and we're adding that in here, and that is pretty much it, guys. Our soup is done. So like I said, guys, if there's anything that you would like to see me make, please comment down below. It is wintertime, soup season, baking season, whatever you would like to see, please let me know. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like what you saw, and until next time, you guys take care. Later.